Welcome, Robloxians. Today, we're diving deep into the world of free UGC Limited and why it's such a game changer in Roblox. Blade Ball is taking the Roblox universe by storm, attracting players with its fast-paced gameplay and exciting challenges. Introducing the Fabergé Blade Baller. This unique item sets your gameplay ablaze with its stunning design and special abilities. To unlock the Fabergé Blade Baller, you'll need to meet specific criteria. Let's break down what you need to do. Here's your step-by-step guide on how to obtain the Fabergé Blade Baller in Blade Ball. Maximize your gameplay with these essential tips and tricks for earning rewards and speeding up your journey. Watch out for these common mistakes. Avoiding them will save you time and effort in grabbing that Fabergé Blade Baller. To recap, remember the key steps and tips we discussed to secure your very own Fabergé Blade Baller. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your experiences with the Fabergé Blade Baller with us.